one of the problems that we come up against when we're trying to lose weight or lose body fat is that feeling of being hungry. And that's a perfectly normal physiological response. You've got to remember that you aren't consuming as many calories as your body needs to maintain its weight. In fact, we're deliberately consuming fewer calories than we burn so that it's got to dip into the body's energy stores, namely body fat, so that we reduce the amount of fat and our weight drops. Now, the body doesn't like that. The body likes to maintain something called homeostasis, which is balance. So what it's going to do, if you don't consume enough calories, it's going to do something to try and restore that balance. And it does that by increasing your hunger. There are other mechanisms, but I want to focus on hunger. Now, your appetite or your hunger level can be impacted on two ways. One, consume more calories, which we're trying to avoid to do because we want to maintain that deficit. And the second way is to consume more food whilst keeping those calories down. Now, to do that, we need to think about consuming high volume but low calorie density foods. So fruit, veg, salad. And those are the things that we need to be looking at. So what I want you to do is look at your plates. Whenever you're making your plates up, your meals up, look at the amount of vegetables on that plate. It should be taking up around about half of that plate. And that's going to mean that you've got high volume for not many extra calories. Now, this here is my meal that I've eaten recently. And you can see that up there that half the plate is taken up by salad. Now, the main meal there is chicken with pasta. And that contains about 600 calories, just the chicken and the pasta. I've added a salad on there with lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and some avocado for healthy fats. And I've doubled the volume of the meal, but only added an extra 120 calories. So about 20 to 25% extra calories. So effectively, doubling the meal by only adding 20% of the calories is going to help me stay fuller for longer. And actually, that meal kept me full all the way through. I ate it quite early from 5 o'clock all the way through the night until the morning. In fact, I didn't need anything after that. So what I want you to look at is look at your meals and look to see how much veg is there. Because if you've only got one fistful and it's taking up a small sort of proportion of the plate, then you need to double it. So don't just think about your protein. Protein is important to basically maintain our kind of levels of satiety and to control hunger, but also think about how much fruit and veg you are consuming because they are high in fiber, high in volume, low in calories, and they're going to satiate you and fill you quickly and keep you satisfied for longer. So give it a go and let me know how you get on.